Okay, guys, today we're going to begin with some stuff that you guys are very familiar with, and we did all last year. But the techniques that we use with numbers is also what we're going to be using with variable expressions and breaking them down and getting common denominators. Okay, because that's the key with what we have to do here. Because we may have rational algebraic expressions, we need to be able to reduce things, but we can't do that until we can factor them and then cancel it out. So let me show you. This one says, first, give all the positive factors of 56. You guys have probably done this. We did this last year. 56, I like to write them in two columns, and I like to start at the number 1. Number 1 goes into all of them, and 1 times 56. Okay, so those are two factors of 56. They're positive factors. I could say -1 and -56 because that gives me 56 as well. But they just asked us for the positive factors here. Okay, does 2 go into it? Sure, because it's even. So 2 times 28. Okay. Does 3 go into it? You'll remember from 7th grade and 6th grade and 5th grade the rules of divisibility. If I add the digits 5 plus 6, and I get 11, 3 does not go into 11, so it doesn't go into 56 either. Okay. 4 does go into 56. It goes into it 14 times. Okay. 4 times 14. 5 doesn't go into it because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Okay. 6 doesn't go into it. 7 does go into it. 7 times 8. Now guys, whenever I'm doing these columns, you'll see I'm sort of asking about the numbers on this side. Okay? And then I'm pairing them with the numbers that give us 56 on that side. But once this number at the bottom reaches that number at the bottom, I don't have to keep going. Okay? There aren't any hidden factors over here like the number 9 or the number 15 or something like that. I've already gotten those by asking the questions on the left side. So these are the 8 factors of 56. Okay? Once the two bottom numbers match, then I'm done. Okay? And you'll notice this is very close to the square root of 56. It's somewhere between 7 and 8. Okay? Now, let me show you something else here real quick. Let's take 56, and you'll remember the factor tree. I'm just going to say 7 times 8, and then that's 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. Okay? So here are all my prime numbers that make up 56. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay? And this is another way of finding all the factors. You know that 1 goes into it. Okay? Can I make a 2? Yeah, I can make a 2 out of that because here's a 2. 2 times what? Well, 2 times what's left, right? 28. 4 times 7. Okay, so I've got 56 over here. And then, oh, I don't want times between them. I want commas. Okay, and then 28. Does 3 go into it? No, there's no 3 I can make out down here. Does 4 go into it? Yeah, I can use 2 times 2. So that gives me 4. All right, and 4 times what? Well, 4 times 14. Okay. All right. Does 5 go into it? No, there's no 5 down here. Does 6 go into it? No, there's no 2 and 3 down here to make 6. Does 7 go into it? Yeah, 7 goes into it. Okay. 7 times what? 7 times 8. Okay. And that's it. So, either way, I think this one on the left, I think that one's easier, you know, to come up with all the numbers that go into it. But this one works too. Okay. All right. Good job, guys, and I'll see you at the next example.